Hey, there you are. Come on in. Don't be shy. Come on in. Welcome to apartment Nicoletta. So we are currently located in the city of Split. Yep. So when you come in, you have a little place to hang your coats.
And you put your shoes down here under this.
That's right.
And you can sit here.
You can sit there and you see all the luggage.
Down here.
Oh gosh, that is a pretty painting. Oh, hey. And you see all the luggage we've already brought in from a full-time traveling family for a year. Don't hate. Link in the description. Check it out. We love it. And this is Ellie's room. So Ellie's gonna take over. Ellie Cam.
Hello. So this is our bag, but also.
Go slow. Keep it level.
Okay.
And then you just press the little screen to see again.
And then.
Oh, wrong one.
There's a ladder, and it goes up to this little bag up here. And
Hello up there.
Yeah. And me and Charlie will sweeping up here. So, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Well, let's hand up. Come on down here. What are you doing up there? And here comes our hostess with the mostest, Ellie Grace. Well done. So that brings me to the next point. So this should be great for families because apparently it is insulated for sound. So that's good if you have kids who like to jump from the top of a bed.
Or sisters who like to talk before you go to bed every night.
Who could that be? But yep, so it's insulated for sound. So come on in. This is just the first bedroom. There's a flying Elsie. So come on out into the hallway.
Are we going to?
Yeah, let's go to the bathroom.
I actually haven't seen it.
Whoa. Wow.
I haven't seen
That's
it
why
yet.
sound
It's
insulation
really
is so good. How do we turn on the lights? We got more lights. Ooh, wrong button. There we go.
I
So
haven't seen this. I
yeah.
really like the shower.
Got a nice shower. That's a pretty big shower. You got the rain shower head. There's a raindrops keep falling on Ellie's head. About to hit me in the glass and I'll soon be dead. Oh, I meant the glass hit me in the whoop. I don't know. Ah! So yeah, so you got the bathroom. You also have to do your clothes. You have your washer. So that's always a good thing. And then you have a line that you hang up your clothes on the outside.
We don't have to do dishes here. There's a dishwasher, everyone.
Ooh. So it's kid and Charlie approved. Come on into my room real quick. Those kids are loud, but I love them. So this is the master bedroom. Looks like a big bed. You got a little chair and table. You got an Ellie. Yeah, the wardrobe. There's beautiful, beautiful girl in the mirror. And here we come to the kitchen. I think this is the biggest fridge. And I'll let Amanda, would you do our kitchen portion?
Hello.
We got a dishwasher,
So,
guys.
yeah, there's a dishwasher, so the kids are super excited because they do dishes when we don't have a dishwasher. So they're stoked. But actually, this is probably the best kitchen that we've been in because the fridge is actually like a full-size fridge and a full-size freezer.
Whoa, that's a whoa.
It's the biggest one we've had this whole time.
I've seen in my life.
The oven, that's right. The oven is also full size. Plus, you have a microwave. You have like your George Foreman, tons of serving dishes, which is awesome because we are here during Christmas and food's here. And then also, like you have, I don't know if you can see, you have everything you need in order to actually cook a homemade meal. So that is amazing. There's so many things. There's even like a blender. And then our favorite, we haven't had this since our one place in Mexico, an espresso machine. So anyway, we are super excited about that. And the apartment, if you can see this kitchen with the cement tiles, I mean, it is just absolutely really cool.
We got pizza.
And the Wolfman's here.
The Wolfman has arrived. There's like a little a little bench for you to sit and like do like a little breakfast nook. Or I know people can work here. That apparently they have great high-speed internet here, and so far so good for us. They also have a table full for 6 people. And I mean, look how cute this whole apartment is. You have a big TV, you have a pretty big couch. This is where we're gonna put our Christmas tree right there, and they've decorated it for us. And as you look around too, look.
You see this gorgeous pie.
I got some pie. You got clocks on the wall. It's overall a really, really cool apartment, and I'm really excited to be here. What about you?
Yeah, she is. So price points, we did the month-long rentals. So the longer you stay, you get more of a discount. We're in the 40s. I want to say we're taxes, fees, about $46 a night. But once again, that's the long term. When you do over a month, different prices. The location is ridiculous. You're actually 200 meters onto the walking street and split. So apparently we can walk to Diocese Palace. We haven't been there yet. Just walk to the old town. So we're excited. We got food, Wolt delivered. Check that out. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the link for the Airbnb. And ding that bell. And make sure you never roam a gnome. And with that being said, we're gonna eat. So we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.